Hello, my dear friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. So today we have a very special success story of one of our student, Rahul Kumar. So he has done integrated M.SC in environmental sciences from Central University of Rajasthan. So Rahul was studying in live online program with us for NET-JRF environmental sciences and GATE environmental sciences and engineering. In that series, he qualified NET-LS environmental sciences. Subsequently, he was preparing hard for the entrances and the interview of all the reputed institute in India, such as IITs, IISER, CSIR Labs, ISC Bangalore, NITs. In that series, he qualified the entrance as well as the interview of IIT Dhanbad, popularly known as ISM Dhanbad, where he got a final PhD admission in the Department of Environmental Science and Engineering. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Rahul Kumar for the same and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF environmental sciences in offline mode at our Delhi center, in the live online mode anywhere across India and the globe, correspondence with video and correspondence program. Along with that, the spatial preparation for the interview, research proposal writing, data analysis is being also done. People who are targeting the admissions in US or Europe for the MS or PhD program are also most welcome. Institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering for 2024. Institute is also offering a well-designed integrated program for the MSc entrances of life sciences people, where they can prepare for biotech, life sciences, environmental sciences, and all the other allied domains of the life science. They are also being trained for the interview by the expert faculty and the panel. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers through our webpage or our Instagram page as early as possible. Once again, we would like to congratulate Rahul Kumar and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. Thank you.